Hello friends, my name is Shilki Akshukumar Ashurva and today's date is 7th September 2021, and as per our regularly basis, our today's video topic is TreeMap. Okay, so before going to TreeMap, we are discuss shortly about the collection. So what is collection? Collection is a combination of an object, means collection contains an object. We see a real-time example, that is piggy bank of child. Child piggy bank consists of coin, means piggy bank is a collection of coins. In this, the coins are objects and piggy bank is a collection. Okay, in class in class students are present, means uh, class is a collection of students. In this, students are object and class is a collection. Okay, so collection consists of various concepts such as array list, linked list, tree map, hash map. Okay, so today we see tree map. So what is tree map? Tree map is a part of collection framework, and tree map is works based on the key val, key value pairs like a hash map, and it maintains a order of the elements, means it gives a sorted order of elements by default. Then the uh, then the tree map is efficient for storing and sorting of elements, sorting of elements with the key value pair. Okay, in tree map, the tree map implements the navigable map, and navigable map extends the sorted map, and the sorted map extends the map interface. Okay, this is the tree map. Now we see a real-time example of tree map. Suppose if we use a Flipkart or Amazon, in that the all elements are arranged in a sorted form by price or by brands, or if we use a filter in Amazon or Flipkart, then it shows the all elements in a sorted form of price or brands. Okay, such kind of functionality is done by the tree map. Tree map is used for such kind of functionality. Okay, now we see some important points of tree map. So tree map uh, tree map stores the each value as a unique key, such as a hash map, because it creates a new object for every key. Then the tree map is uh, tree map is gives ascending order of sorting at every time, and it gives a sorted elements at every time. Okay, then tree map is a non-synchronized class. Tree map is the best choice when we required a maintained order, means sorted order, and to store the key value pairs. Okay, tree map does not contains a null key. When it contains a null key, then it gives a null point exception, but tree map can contain a null value. Okay, tree map does not contains a duplicate key, but it contains a duplicate value. This is some about the tree map. So now we see an example of tree map. So we have a three class. First class is a node, second class is a tree, and third class is a main class. In node class, we have four variables, that is int num, string value, node left, node right, and then we create one constructor of node, and in that constructor we instantiate two values, that is int num and string value. Okay, in the tree class, we added a method add. In this add method, by adding a logic, we can add the keys and values in the add method. Then in print method, we can we print the keys and values, but but if we required that the one key, but if we required to update the value of same key, at that time we required a get method. So we added get method in a tree class, and by using this get method we can update the value of same key. Okay, thank you.